My forehead is huge. So everybody left to go to a function and I had to stay behind because they didn't have any, function clothes. And I decided, I haven't eaten much today. Like I ate a tuna hot dog sandwich thing, sort of thing. And I'm kind of feeling peckish. So I'm gonna break up something. Anything that comes to my mind, honestly. I gotta be sensitive with the floor because the neighbor came back from overseas, but before she was overseas, she was kind of anal about the noise heard up here. Anything dropped, some main chair shuffled, she was calling on the phone. At one point we were playing Monopoly. You know, people get excited when they're playing Monopoly. We're all competitive people here. So we got really excited and she was banging down the door after 2-3 o'clock. Banging, absolute banging, like relentlessly making noise, like screaming. I'm like, that's crazy. Like, if you call the police, should have been arrested. But yeah, back to that, saying I'm hungry. So I'm gonna make a sandwich. Or something like a sandwich. I'm not familiar with where this stuff are in here, so I'm just gonna wing it.
Can't touch this.
I'm gonna wing it.
经过反复推敲。
The thing about me and water is I like my water teeth numbing cold. And put it in the freezer.
吴小姐，
太早了吗？那你等我一下。我要啊！这咋认我啥？你居然敢被选来当律师？啊！
请进。
你好，喝点水吧。你今天来是去看啊？以前跟现在不一样了。以前做法服律师是没钱又辛苦，但我跟我爸不一样，我是
Before they left, they told me not to bring that out, but no one taught me how to use the stove. Alright, so let's see.
我绝对不会妥协的。你能不能告诉我为什么？
Wait,
你知道我对律师这个行业有自己开心吗？我只顾着我自己开心，我在你心里就是这样的妈是吗？我瞅一个，你好，你好，你好，你好，你好啊！
and days like this, I regret being short. Hot dog, good. What am I doing? How old am I? Makes a lot of sense now. So burger meat, well minced burger meat, on bread. Final step, point it in the microwave. Yeah, and we're done basically. And my sandwich is ready. Let's go eat.